Hey everyone, it's Shelly from Shelly Creates It. I'm a crafty creator and a passionate teacher, always up for a new challenge. Today I'm making one of my children's books come to life by formatting it in Adobe Illustrator. Come follow along to see how I do it. Let's get creative together. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell to join me on this 25-day creative adventure. Okay, book number 7. I'm so excited that this is getting done. I have been really struggling to finish it for a long time. I don't even know if I can look up the date that I started this. September 24th. Oh, look. Oh, it doesn't feel right. Okay, September 24th. So I've been drawing on it for like a month, exactly a month and 2 days. Feels like way longer than that. I've got all the photos drawn from Adobe Fresco. I sent them from Fresco to Illustrator. I've got all of my pages laid out. These are all of my layers from Adobe Fresco, and I'm just taking each set of layers and then copying them onto their correct page, which is their correct layer. So shift, hold, and drag. There we go. It's so stinking cute. Like, oh. So what I'm going to do from here is export all the images so I have just the plain images, and then I will add in the text and export the images with the text. Like, I love the simplicity of these pictures. They're just great. So great. And then all these frogs that come over, I get the proportions are a little bit off, but also that's kind of what makes it like. Now, my next book for 2024, hopefully, I want to publish a Christmas book. I do have it written and the manuscript done. I do not, however, have the photos, and the photos are what take so long. I kind of have them sketched and ideas in my head. And I also, this time, which I have not done on any of my other books, created a mood board. So I'm excited about that. Isn't that beautiful? I think I might just lighten this up just a little bit. I feel like it. Too dark. Page 1. I have a froggy friend. He comes out every now and then. In the grass without a care, he hops here and there. He is wet and smooth, but I need him to move. I need to pitch my tent. Will he get the hint? He's on the perfect spot. Please move a little, not a lot. Oh, what's that I see? A froggy family. They're hopping all around, croaking on the ground. Ribbit, ribbit. Do you hear it? All right, I get the hint. I'll go over here and pitch my tent. The air gets cool as I pull out my tools. I have my tent, my stakes, my tarp, and my pocket harp. Then I head down to the river. Oh no, where's my tent? My tent is not there. Then I head down to the river. The cool air makes me shiver. Ribbit, ribbit. What was that you heard? A northern mockingbird. The end. I love it. Oh my gosh, I love it so much. Which is so cool. Number one, at my book event in Katy a few weeks ago, there is a bookstore owner who's opening up a new bookstore outside of Katy, outside of Houston, and they're calling it the Mockingbird. And my trampoline Dreaming does not have a mockingbird and does not have a yellow rose of Texas. And I told her, I was like, oh my gosh, I could incorporate the mockingbird into my frog book. Not realizing at the time like how I would really do it. I was really just gonna pop a mockingbird in there on a few pages. But then this idea came to me and I started rewriting the end of the story, and I looked up and researched mockingbirds. I had no clue that they can imitate up to 200 sounds, and one of those sounds is frogs. Oh, so cool. And if you listen to it, they do sound a little bit higher pitched, but I think in the wild you're just gonna think it's a frog. And so I was so excited that it went together so beautifully. I thought it's funny that at the end, when it could be a frog, which we've seen a frog all along, it's actually a mockingbird. And I start introducing it. So the froggy family comes out, and then I ask if you hear it. But then on this page, I've got the little mockingbird in a tree stump. And then over here, like as she's unloading stuff, he pops out, and over here, he's like, oh no, she's back. So then he hops up into the tree, or flies up into the tree, whatever. Here I have a tent. So I need to resync and add that in. It's because I made the tent after I uploaded this file. So I'm gonna add that in. And then up here, he is on the tree. Oh, see, the eye is not fixed on that one either. And then here he is again in the tree, and yeah. So I do need to fix quite a few of these because I fixed his eye. He looks like he's got a black eye in all these. And my new ones, he does not. I'm so excited. And then I can get started on my cursive book. Looking good. It's better, but it's still not there. Thing I am super grateful for today is putting the last few ornaments on our Christmas tree. This particular ornament my mom made, and it's a fabric Christmas tree, and the irony is really funny. It's a Christmas tree ornament on a Christmas tree, but you guys can make the same thing. Just get a stick or dowel and some scrap fabric and tie little knots around it and put a button on the top. It's super easy and quick gift.